looking for Eric Edmond, but he's just in the shadow of me. But yet he was brown, and now he is pink. But suddenly competition. Who is the boy for the future? Do you really think he will ever function? He was brown, but when he's gone, they say he is dead because he take over. I see that boy crazy for him, but he is just a drop out of a man. The man is 1,000 drop. The girl gets one. What make you think one drop will ever be the body? You kill the body, but the duplicate is still alive. Tell me, who do you really think is the boy you see all over the world? Tell me, I need to know. I'm asking a question, 'cause I need to know how that boy get lost. I'm asking a question, 'cause I need to know how that boy get lost yesterday. Do you think she is a girl? Well, maybe. I'm not trying to start again. I just want you to know it is the me, it is the me, it is the me, it is the me, it is the me yesterday. Take the me yesterday to become what they copy all over the world. Take the me, take the me. I was the girl, I become a boy. Just the me.